manok.
Ay, yung puti. Nandun na sa luggage ko eh.
Tin gave this to you? Tin
No,
gave
sa looban.
These
The
two,
first house.
our first house, they took care of the chickens that were in our house.
Oh. Like these chickens?
Yeah.
Like live chickens.
Oh, live chickens?
Made chicken style.
Do you eat the
Okay.
chickens? Do you eat?
Yeah. No, we didn't eat it. We were thinking, hey, we should eat this because we only have gulay.
Yeah.
Pero, I know, before coming here, si Bigel, he took the live chickens and he put it in a sack and he brought it with us dito. So,
Tapos kuya did not give.
and then, sabi ni Bigel, Kuya, yung manok namin, the chickens are still in the sack. And Kuya says, akong bahala. And then,
What does that mean?
like, I'll take care of it, don't worry.
Okay.
And then as soon as we got all the stuff, those chickens came out of our bags.
Oh.
Kita namin sa storage nung pinapasok kami nito.
And then
See, he put the chickens in a sack.
Oo.
Yeah.
And like,
you could hear we were inside a truck, blindfolded, and we could hear them and stuff.
Oh, so he brought the chicken.
He punctured holes so that they could breathe.
Were you meant to bring the chickens?
No, he just brought them.
Wala.
Crazy.
wala na. Tapos distraction sa akin.
Distraction, ginamit. Distraction.
And
Ginamit.
then, di ba may band-aid dyan? Kasi,
Oh.
Of this.
Oh, sir. Oh, the chico.
he accidentally burnt her while she was like curling her hair.
Bigel.
Yeah, well, he scared her.
No, he tickled me.
Oh, never mind. He tickled her.
Bigel.
Yeah.
In the truck?
Bigel. Then tapos Bigel, you hurt her. Dito.
Oo.
I could hear Roy and Slater.
Put it in.
That's all I heard.
Tin. Bigel is saying something.
Sorry din.
Patawad.
Okay lang.
Patawad.
Grabe.
Yeah, loob.
Ang lagyan ko yan naman dito, bandage naman.
Oo.
Grabe.
You have to put bandage na.
Well, now you have to put on the way.
Bandage na.
Mga bang istorya niyang manok na kaya hindi ko awala yun.
It was just funny. Bigel. You're disqualified now. And you're like,
Wala daw siyang ginagawa, pero tingnan mo ginawa mo sa arm ko.
Bigel,
He
please get up.
He said, I didn't do anything wrong. He shouted like that.
Hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know what happened.
I don't know what happened, pero inago mo sa akin yung bola.
Ay-
Sa akin pa, teammate mo, si
Niki-
Slater, sa akin.
Kasi may nakita kong naago ng pula na nakahawakan sa kanya ng pula. Si parang yung Slater pa yung nasa ilalim
Pero
ako.
nakuha ko na yung bola eh. Nakuha ko ulit eh. Gumanon na ako, tapos sininako mo pa rin sa akin.
Grabe yan.
Grabe.
Sorry,
Gulat
guys.
ako, kala ko
Sorry, guys. Sorry,
ganun,
guys. Sorry,
ganun,
guys. Sorry,
ganun,
guys.
ganun.
Guys, leave. Sorry. Thank you.
No, no.
Sorry. Thank you.
my God.
Sorry. Thank you.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you.
Near you. Excuse me, I'm like, okay.
Excuse me.
Right there, man.
Sabi yung pang excuse me.
Oh, it's sorry.
Excuse me. Thank you.
That's the Japanese
Pag
way.
mag-shoot, sisitsi.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Pag mag-shoot ba? Yeah! Excuse me. Thank you.
Kagabi. Kagabi. Ay, kita ko si Chico. Ano yung protein? No. Creamer and sugar. Wow. Kagabi.
Protein.
Creamer daw.
I swear.
Kagabi. So many creamer. Because lapot sticky. I see sticky.
Miss Carol,
But he walked away, so I was thinking,
What is that? Protein? Gano'n niya? No. Abi.
whole town of Cebu.
Creamer.
Whole town.
he just had a protein, then
Talaga?
you get
Oh,
cream and
December
sugar.
10. Miss Carol. Sa Nels, bis, big
Hindi
bis.
ko alam.
Sabi.
Baka yun yung protein.
Oh, that's why.
Pampataba din yung creamer, ano?
That's natural
Yeah.
nature.
Grabe rin.
Now you
Ay,
style.
Oh,
Fashion.
Si Kuya, ito yung bupo. Ikaw, ha? Kuya, ano ang gano'n, Kuya? Kuya, Eting, nagbabago ka na talaga.
He's tickling him with his ass.
Grabe ka.
Yun.
Joke.
Joke lang.
Kuya, Eting.
Gusto kong matuwid, tumuwid,
Iunat.
Ay, unat ba?
Iunat mo,
Tapos,
mandini.
di ko alam na, na-center pala. Sa center.
Stay
Nang sa Pilipini pa. Tatamaan nyo. David. Extra income. Christmas Carol.
Kain.
Oo.
Pinoy ako.
Ito, sabit sa nails. Sabit sa paro.
Pinoy, ikaw,
Pinoy tayo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-iba ang Pinoy. Intindihan niyo? Huwag kang matatakot. Don't fear. Ipagmalaki mo, the big you. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy. Ako, Pinoy tayo. Big you. Pinoy we. Pinoy lang ako. Let's test. Kunti.
Wala.
Atik-atik man.
Don't sleep, Tin. I'm coming for ya.
Yung pusa, yung Kuya, yung pusa.
Tulog. Si Miguel giispatan.
There's an expiration date.
Giispatan ka, Miguel. Ispat. Flashlight. Ispat.
Bakit kaya?
Gi-flashlightan ka.
Yung nasulaitan ako, nakatingin sa akin si Kuya.
Ay, sus, kung may dahon pa dito.
Sabi ko, kapag taon ano ko ni Kuya doon sa position ko. Lamig po, Kuya, ay.
Flower arrangements though.
Mag-arrange ta para sa mahal nyo sa buhay nyo, mga syuta nyo. Ay, Miguel, magawa ka para kay ano, ha?
Kanino?
Secret God.
Secret.
Para kanino?
Ako, magawa ko para kay Api.
Ako magawa ko para kanino.
Sino? Ako.
Ikaw para kay... Tama.
Ate Wendy!
Oy.
Ate Windy, oy. Na sila, dalawa na sila magbibigay.
Parang Carlo.
At the windy.
Di ba? Parang Carlo?
Housemate. Pero out na.
Parang Carlo.
Pumasok
Ano kaya boyfriend si Ate Wendy?
Yun ang time na lumabas siya.
No.
Oh. Nani? Paano kung wala?
Matangkad siya, matangkad.
Ah.
Mataas. Oo.
Kung wala nga,
Kung wala, hindi ko alam.
maybe.
Cottage.
It's different. Tama.
Sipon.
Okay lang, basta Gaudition ako ng Gaudition. Gaudition na lang. Gaudition na lang ako ng Gaudition.